Guys, I want to thank you for hopping in here and joining me and asking to get your copy of the checklist for the immediate strategies that will help protect you against this coronavirus or any other virus or crud that's going around right now. It's kind of a crazy time. We're all in this together though, and we're going to come out much better than we went in. So things are going to be great, but I want to welcome you. I want to thank you for coming in here. I also want to mention that you are going to get a bonus in your checklist. So be sure to check the bottom part of that. It's a bonus recipe to help you in these times to stay well. And check your email for that because you will be getting it in the email that you provided for me. But on top of that, you're going to get another bonus too. I am inviting you to come join me in a community that I have on Facebook in a group. It is a private group, but what we do is we share ways that we can stay healthy, get healthy, be healthy, and help others so we can be an asset to our family. We like to do that with products that we can make here at home, or we can buy locally, or we can get from a reliable source. So we share those ideas and we share those with each other in the group. It's going to get you access to me. And then what I want to do is just hop on a quick call with you for about, 15, 20 minutes, and let's see if we can get you headed in the right direction. But I want to say congratulations for taking the step to move forward in this time in our lives to be healthy and to do it the right way. And I just want you to know that I'm here for you. The community's here. You'll want to click the button to join the Look Good, Feel Good, and Enjoy Life Facebook group community that we have. And guys, go make it a great day. My name's Patty Allred, and I look forward to getting to know you. Stay well, guys. Talk to you soon.